Okay, it's not like a tractor?
Yeah.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
I have no idea. No, we have no idea.
Stop. 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 Hey! Stop! I'm 58 radio. I'm an individual who's driving a four-wheeler tractor. He is not stopping for me. I have no way of stopping this vehicle. He's going to go out on the main road.
Dick, watch your dick. He's ready.
I can't control him.
Grab your machine. What is it? One of those things? How fast is it?
They can get up to probably about 30.
Okay, grab that. Quick.
Making a left. Keep me updated. I've got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. It's a little bit slower, but he's behind us as well.
Hey, radio, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
I left my caliber Brent on.
Oh, you 10-3 for the vehicle, Corley. 10 or no, bro.
10-3. Circle off the road, Brook Drive.
This is unbelievable.
It's wrong.
Keep him up! Hey! Flip it! If you can flip it, flip it!
Number 1039. Number 1039 is all the time.
You what?